Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. Audio is the heart and soul of any video, story, or reel on Facebook. You can't understand the context of the clip without sounds. Now, let's troubleshoot the sound not working properly on Facebook. First, you need to unmute a video or story on Facebook. Facebook autoplays all videos on the platform, but defaults them to mute. The practice is in place to avoid any disturbance in the surroundings. When you open a video, find and tap the unmute icon to hear audio. Open the Facebook app. If you are playing a video on the home feed, unmute it from the top right corner. You can also check videos from a dedicated video tab. In that case, the mute button is placed at the bottom right corner. Then, check volume settings on your phone. If you have put your phone on mute, none of the videos and stories can play audio on Facebook. You'll need to use the volume up button on your phone to level up the audio. It's one of the common factors and is usually users ignore it. Third option, disable Bluetooth on phone. Most total wireless stereo goes into sleep mode when you put them into the case. Sometimes they remain active and stay connected to your phone via Bluetooth. In that case, Facebook plays video and story sound on the connected device, not your phone. You'll need to either put your wireless headphones or earphones into sleep mode or disable Bluetooth on your phone to prevent such confusion. Fourth, restart Facebook. You can restart Facebook and start playing videos and stories with sound. A simple reboot is an effective way to troubleshoot common glitch on Facebook. Swipe up and hold the bottom to open the Recent Apps menu. Swipe up on Facebook to close the app. Then, open the Facebook app and start playing your favorite videos again. Fifth option, video is broken. If the Facebook user has uploaded a corrupt video or story without sound, you may not hear audio in the clip. You need to ask the person to upload the video on a strong Wi-Fi network. Sixth option, authenticate your account again. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your account picture at the bottom right corner. Scroll to the bottom and hit log out. You'll need to log in with your updated Facebook account's details and try playing videos and stories. Seventh option, clear Facebook cache. Facebook collects cache in the background to improve the app loading time and overall performance. If the app collects a corrupt cache, you may run into sound issues on the platform. You'll need to clear your Facebook cache and try again. Long press on the Facebook app icon and open the I icon app info menu. Then select storage and tap clear cache from the following menu. Eighth option, try a desktop or mobile browser. If Facebook mobile apps aren't working properly, use the mobile or desktop browser to stream videos and stories. Sometimes you may run into audio issues on Chrome for desktop. And ninth solution, reinstall Facebook. Reinstalling Facebook is another common way to fix frequent issues with the app. Long press on the Facebook app icon and open the I icon app info menu. Then, tap uninstall. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.